All right, Jeff, I want to start with Bitcoin. 68 and change today. Where's it going?
I think it's going to go higher. I mean, keep in mind, Stuart, what people are focused on is this halving event, which happens on April 17th. So they're going to effectively pull supply out of the market. You have all these institutions that are buying into Bitcoin, that are accumulating as much of it as they can, and now there's going to be less of it to accumulate. But keep in mind, Bitcoin, being the cat with 9 lives, has shown that even though it's volatile, I mean, we've said it since we started talking about this in 2019, if you're going to own this stock, this is one of the most speculative investments that you're going to make, but you have to know that Bitcoin, the more crazy and chaotic and reckless the government becomes, the more attractive an alternative currency like Bitcoin is.
The trouble is, if I put my money into a stock, I'm buying a piece of a company with profits and factories and staff and all the rest of it. If I put my money into Bitcoin, what have I got? I got a piece of nothing.
You have an exchange mechanism. That's what you have. You have an ability. You have the alternative to the fiat currency. And right now, people think we need an alternative because we're running a massive deficit, because the government seems to not know what to do about inflation. So people are looking for that alternative currency.
Otherwise known as gambling mania, Jeff.
It is a lot like gambling. I mean, it is. And that's why I say, you know, if you're going to miss a meal because Bitcoin goes down in price, put your money in something else, because this is not, you know, this is not buying a blue chip stock. This is buying a lottery ticket.
Quick on gold. I've got gold around $2,150 an ounce as of this morning. Is the deficit, because it's growing so fast, is the deficit pushing gold up? Is that it?
Yeah, because what gold is becoming, gold is a direct reflection on the reckless spending of our government.
It's like Bitcoin.
Yeah, so you have a $35 trillion deficit growing by $2 trillion a year. You have people on both sides, the Republicans and Democrats, who can't seem to figure out or really show much initiative to remove the deficit. So what's that doing? It's annihilating the dollar. So I've been a fan of gold since as long as I could remember. And what I would say is that gold is the right thing to be invested in when you're concerned about the strength of the dollar and whether the government will be able to take initiative to bring us out of this deficit.
I think you're going overboard on the dollar. It's as strong as ever. We're out of time. So I hate to do that to you, but you're sitting next to us. I can do it. Jeff Sica, you're all right. Thank you very much indeed.